it's Ariel. Welcome back to my channel and part 2 of my birthday special. So if you guys saw part 1, actually I'm going to let you explain.
So I had big things planned for Sarah's birthday. Coronavirus hit, craziness hit. We were literally trying to buy a house and sell our house in the middle of this. But the big thing was we can't really go out. Everything's closed. And my plan originally for her was to play games throughout the day, have her go into the store after she's earned money.
Oh, because if I win the game, or if I win, I win money by playing the games.
Yeah, she could win anywhere from a 25, 50, and then $100+ almost to go into different price stores and then spend money to probably on her craft room stuff that she wants, which is a big deal for me if you haven't heard. But we couldn't do that, so we're doing all the games now here at home on her birthday, and then deferring them till later when she's ready and this all dies down. I'm a big proponent of special birthdays.
You guys saw last year, if you've been with me for a while, and if you haven't, I'll actually link what he did last year in the card above and in the description box below.
Alright, so we are going to do a $10 game. It is 20 questions, so we might speed through some of this in her asking, but these are difficult 20 questions. I picked some difficult ones.
So just normal 20 questions?
Yes, I did not, and just a heads up, because I feel like it's only fair to announce, I did not pick any main characters. So she has paper to help her kind of take notes so she can think about it. We'll cut out
I'm going to forget. I like 20 questions, but if I can't write down what I know already, I'll ask the same question.
Yeah. I'm picking the first one.
Okay.
Go for it.
Is it a man?
Yes.
Is this man old?
No.
Is this a Pixar movie?
No.
Is this a movie from our childhood? So from 1985 to 2005.
I am not sure. Yes.
Is this character funny?
Yes.
Is he a good guy?
Yes.
Is he a character I am really into? Do I
Yes, you like this character. Yes.
But I'm talking a favorite character. That's what I meant, because I'm thinking of someone in my head, but I don't want to just guess it. I like him. I'll just say I like him. Is he... Okay, I feel like I need to start eliminating movies. Is he in Mulan?
No.
Aladdin?
No.
Is this movie after the year 2000?
No. I would not. Me asking years of movies, that would not help me, so I'm impressed.
Oh, it does help me, because I know when most of the movies that I like, I know when Oh, is this a TV show?
No.
Okay.
We're at 11. 11.
Okay. Is it The Rescuers Down Under? Is it a character in that movie?
I had a Rescuers Down Under character, but...
I thought it might be the little lizard guy. Because I think he's fun.
I don't know his name. 12.
Okay, I need to go into physical appearance. Okay. Does this person have... It's a guy, though. Who's young. See, I almost did it again. It's always the age. So a young guy. I think he's funny. One of my childhood movies. I have no information. Is he human?
No. Good question, though. Impeccable timing.
So maybe an animal. Is he an animal?
Yes.
Okay, just wanted to make sure.
1, 2, 3, 4. You're only 4. You have 6 more.
I'm gonna write down some possibilities on this side.
That's a good strategy.
Is he from Oliver and Company?
Yes.
Is it Tito?
It is Tito.
Yeah! That's what I wrote. Look. Oliver and Co.
When I saw that you were there, I was like, okay. So she got the first one because let me tell you something, people. If she doesn't get the first 2 right, the whole game's gonna be squashed. She's gonna be so frustrated that she's not gonna get any more.
Oh, you mean because this is the first round? I'm a very sore loser, but not as sore as him. Who flipped a board game?
That's never happened.
Who's?
I was standing up to get a bag of chips, and it accidentally flipped. I was hungry. I stood up quickly, and I have a very big butt. And my hands are gangly sometimes. I was all over.
There's a lot going on to get that bag of chips.
All right, you got the first one. That's $10.
Yeah.
All right. All right, next one on the list.
Okay. Is it a woman?
No.
Is it a human?
No.
Is it an animal?
Yes.
Is this movie from our childhood?
No.
Is it an old movie? So pre our childhood.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Old movie. Is this character a bad guy?
Yes.
Is this a movie Calla and I have watched?
No.
Is this animal one that would live in a house?
No.
Is this a cartoon movie?
Yes.
I've seen like every Disney movie. Oh, is this a movie? I've said movie 13 times, so I'm assuming it's a movie because I have asked you. And that just shouldn't, let me rephrase, that shouldn't count as a question. Like, don't answer because I've said movie 13 times, so at some point you should have said no if that wasn't a movie.
Here's what I'm gonna do. If you have not figured it out by number 20, I will give you one clarifying remark.
Okay.
And then let you look through your notes.
Okay.
Because all your notes should still help you.
Okay.
I think.
The other movie I haven't seen with Calla that I know of is The Hunchback of Notre Dame, but it doesn't have any animals in it. It has like Esmeralda's little goat, but I don't know what his name is. And I don't think he knows what his name is, so I wouldn't think that would be the character. Okay. It's an older... Oh, and Hunchback came out during our childhood, so it can't be
That's
that
what
either.
I was looking up for you. That was in 1996.
Yeah, I remember seeing it in the theater.
That wouldn't even count as an old movie.
The Black Cauldron was prior. Okay.
To speed this up, I'm going to give her half my clarifying statement. I said I was going to give it to her question 20. We're over halfway through like an 11. Do you want like half the clarifying statement? No.
I don't, but I also do because I literally don't know what else to ask. That's how I feel
That did
right
not
now.
give me confirmation.
Yes.
Yes, you do want it.
Yes.
Okay. The character, all the questions you asked do apply because this character is from a movie. But you are not going to get this character right by thinking of characters from a movie.
Okay. Is this character something to do with the parks?
Yes.
Okay. Parks related. A villain. It's an animal. Is it somebody related to Splash Mountain?
Yes.
Okay.
See, I should have waited to give her the clarifying statement. I literally just gave it to her.
Is it Brer Bear?
Yes, it's Brer Bear. But I was so when you asked like if he was the other part of clarify, I was like, he is a main villain. Yeah, actually, that's the thing is I looked it up before I answered you because I was going to say no when you first asked me. But in 1945, there was a movie called Song of the South from 1945 that where he tells the stories of Brer Rabbit.
Yeah, I would not have gotten that.
That's what I was like. I would be lying if I said no.
Is this a movie? Is this character from a movie?
No.
Is this character from a TV show?
Yes.
Okay. Is this character female?
No.
Is this character human?
No.
Is this character an animal?
Yes.
Is this character on a TV show from our childhood?
Yes.
Is this character a bad guy?
No.
Is this character a little animal?
Yes.
Is this character old? Okay.
Yes.
There's young, middle-aged, and old.
Old. You said is this character?
I said is this character old? Okay. Okay. Is this character so old and a small animal from a TV show from our childhood? I'm thinking somebody from Rescue Rangers, but nobody's old on that show. Oh, is this character from the Gummy Bears?
Yes.
Is it Zummy Gummy?
Yes. That was a good one, babe. That was a good one.
Just so y'all know, we're going through the Gummy Bears right now with Calla on Disney Plus, and she loves it, and it's the most wonderful thing that she loves it because that's where we got her name.
Yes, Princess Calla. So, and it's a TV show that I can actually watch. Most of her other shows she watches, I go crazy.
Yeah, but we, my mom, one Christmas, like as almost like a funny kind of nostalgic gift, got us season 1 through 3 on DVD, and we went through them. And this is when we were married but hadn't had kids yet, and we never agreed on children's names. Like
ever. Everything
was veto, no, and we were like getting to the point where we were like, what are we gonna do? Because we can't agree on anything. And then we're watching the Gummy Bears, and the princess comes out, and her name's Calla.
It was epiphany. It was an epiphany
for him because he literally goes, "Wow, Calla, I really like that name," and I go, "Me too," and then we both go,
Yeah.
Did we just agree on a name? And then like, what, 4 years later? 4 or 5 years later, Calla.
Yeah, Calla was born, and we named her Calla.
Yeah, stuck to it. But it's just cute because Calla likes the show and the princess's name is her name.
Number 4. This is.
Oh wait, there's a 4th one?
There's 5 of them, so.
Oh, I thought I was done.
No, and you've earned $30 so far on this, so.
Okay, number 4. Okay. What do I need?
Whenever you are ready.
Is this person from a movie?
Yes.
Is this a female?
No.
Is this person old?
No.
Okay. Is this person middle-aged?
Yes.
Okay. Is this person human?
No.
Jeez. Is this person an animal? That's just so y'all know. That's why I always ask that question, because there are
so many
circumstances.
Animals.
No, but there's circumstances where they're not either, which is what you just said. You said not human, not animal.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So, okay. Is this person a good guy?
Yes.
Is this a movie from our childhood?
I don't think so.
Okay.
Yes. Yes, it is.
Okay. Is this person... No, it's not a person. Is this character... Is the movie this character's in a drawn animation cartoon?
No.
Is it like a... I want to re-ask that question. I'll come back to it if I have to.
Okay.
Well, is it a live action?
No. Okay.
So it's like CGI. Not CGI. That's not the right word. But like whatever the newer animation is. Okay, so is this a more recent movie?
No.
No, I don't know. No, I have no idea. Is this a movie Calla likes to watch?
Hold on. Okay, so yes, it is a movie that Calla likes to watch. I re-looked it up. It's not.
Not our childhood.
It is, yes. So I don't think so.
So not our childhood.
But it's like out. Just it's after the time limit we said like 2005 because that's when like we were kind of both in high school.
Mm-hmm.
So it was after that.
After our childhood.
Yeah.
But Calla does like it.
I was thinking it was when we were in high school, but it was not. 12 questions. You got 8 more. You have plenty of questions. 8 questions is a lot.
Is it Pixar?
Yes.
Okay, that helps me.
It does help you, but see the thing is with Pixar is all the non-animal and non-human movies are usually Pixar.
Yes, but Pixar only has like a smaller amount of films, so it helps me.
Yeah, it does. It does in that way.
Okay. Is this in reference to the movie Cars?
No. I really want her not to get one.
It's not WALL-E, because Calla won't watch WALL-E. Is it in relation to the Monsters Inc. world?
It is not.
Inside Out.
Another one she loves. I was like, how are you not?
How dare I?
How do you... And there's another one that we like that she's missing too.
Okay, I think that's it.
Can you scroll up? Is Wreck-It Ralph not Pixar?
No.
Okay.
Is that going to be a problem?
No.
Okay.
I just thought Wreck-It Ralph was Pixar.
No, Wreck-It Ralph is Disney, just like Big Hero 6 is Disney.
Cool. It is a Pixar film. I just thought
Okay, I thought you were...
when we were thinking of it, I was like, Inside
You're
Out.
Like, how
she's missing Inside Out and Wreck-It Ralph.
Okay. Is this person from Inside Out?
No.
Dang it. Because I was thinking fear or anger. Because they're not human and they're not animals.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like I'm burning through my questions. I'm trying to be more careful.
But you have so much information to use.
Yeah, I know.
Once you get that...
Okay, is it from Toy Story 4?
Yes.
Okay.
See, now you have 4 questions to narrow down characters.
Okay.
Although there's a lot of characters.
I know, and most of them are male.
Yeah.
Was this character in all 4 of the movies?
No.
Okay. Either Duke Kaboom, Forky, Bunny, Duck. You know, he looks like a chick. I don't know the little unicorn's name. Murray from the Goldbergs.
What? You like have an epiphany? You look so confident.
I want to ask a question, but I really don't want it to count, but it would be really funny if I asked it. So I'm going to save it for the very end.
Okay. 3 left, and then your final guess.
Okay. Is it Mr. Pricklepants?
It is Mr. Pricklepants.
Okay, good.
I was really hoping.
The face?
I was really hoping you were going to miss it, and I was going to be like, you forgot Mr. Pricklepants again!
I almost did.
You forgot Mr. Pricklepants again! I was really looking for it.
I almost did, but just so y'all know.
3 questions away.
Just so y'all know, the face that I made when I went like this. I was writing down Mr. Pricklepants. Okay, can I say the question I wanted to ask?
Calla loves to watch Toy Story 3.
I had a question, okay?
What?
But I wanted to ask when I read it, and I wish I'd just asked it first. I wanted to say, does this character have an affinity for Shakespearean acting?
And I would have said yes.
I gotta play my odds.
Instead of asking Mr. Pricklepants, right. You could have asked that question.
I should have. I just said I regretted it.
You're 4 for 4 on this game, even though this game's taken forever.
Oh my god,
a lot of cutting.
I might have to do a separate video just this game.
Oof.
Is this character a male?
Yes.
Is this character from a movie?
Yes.
From our childhood?
Yes.
Does Calla like this movie?
No.
Okay. That's funny because that's like been my best question. Like the question that helps me the most.
Because basically you're like, is this movie Calla watches all the time? Or is it something she doesn't?
Because she has, I mean, she has a lot of favorites. Like a lot. But it does limit it.
Yeah.
Okay. Is this Pixar?
Yes.
Good, I already know this. Right here. Is this character young?
No. Yes, 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 yes.
Is this character human?
No. And it's also hard when they're not human to decide for their age.
Yeah. Is this character good?
Yes.
Okay, is this character an animal?
No.
Is this a movie I like?
Yes. You like...
There are ones I don't like.
It's not one of the ones you don't like. That's why I said yes. I was like, the only movie,
Cars!
That's basically the only movie I can think of that you don't like is Cars. So, I was like, it's not Cars.
Yeah. Is this character a bug?
Yes.
Okay.
That helps.
It does.
That was a good question. That was a good question.
Is this character one of the circus bugs?
Yes.
Is this bug incinerated in the flaming death?
No. No.
So it's not P.T. Flea.
It's not P.T. Flea. The Flaming Death.
Flaming Death! I just want to ask, I'm about to just go through the characters, but I also don't want to waste them. Is it Heimlich?
It is Heimlich.
Woo!
You didn't ask in a funny way. I thought you were just going to continue asking.
I honestly thought you picked Francis. I like this game.
Alright, she got for perfect 5 for 5, so that's $50 for this game. Running total somewhere on the screen, just if you're interested. For her birthday.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you played along. I feel like this was one of the best games to play along with because it was like 20 questions. Like it
was the longest for sure, but it was also really fun.
I had fun.
We had fun.
Obviously I had fun because I got
have fun playing these games.
We do. This is like what we do. Like if we're road tripping, which we used to do all the time, and we will be back to that soon.
We would do it for hours.
Yes. And we come up with games too.
Yeah.
Oh. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Hopefully you did play along and kind of get some fun out of it. If you guys didn't watch part 1, I will have it linked in the description box below, and I'll probably pop it in a card above, just so you guys can see more Disney game fun. Maybe you want to do this with your family. And please subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. It's actually really bugging me.
Puns. Puns.